Ебать, ебать.
Near Bilohorivka, which is still disputed, a new wave of Russian mechanized assault were repelled, leading to new Russian losses. Units of the 81st Air Mobile Brigade are continuously destroying Russian assault groups and equipment near Bilohorivka. Despite Russians claiming they captured it, the town is still being fought over. Russian telegram channels report drone attacks on a refinery and an oil depot last night. As a result of a drone attack on the refinery in Novoshaktinsk, Rostov region, Russia, a heavy fire broke out. The fire at the refinery has been localized to an area of 100 square meters, the governor reported. Local residents say that they heard strong explosions. It is also reported that an oil depot on the territory of the Staroskolsky district in Belgorod region came under drone attack. One of the tanks caught fire.
Ну что я могу вам сказать, товарищи? Пиздец полный. У нас нефтик подорвали.
Нефтяной полыхает. Полыхает пиздец, блядь. Вышел на улицу, стою, снимаю. Бахало тут, во все стороны летело.
Ukrainian forces recaptured most of Kalinina and pushed Russian invaders back over the Chasiv Yar channel. How it started.
Либо осколок от артиллерийского. Также, когда машина выезжает на дежурство,
How it is going. A Tor M2 AD system in the Kremina direction is taken out. A Russian Tor M2 air defense system destroyed by the 77th Separate Airmobile Brigade. Nearly 100 people were injured and one died in Kemerovo, Russia, after a tram's brakes failed. As a result, the tram crashed into another car at high speed. People were flying out of the tram while it was moving. This is, of course, not Moscow or St. Petersburg. This is Siberian Kemerovo. Always enjoy when Vatniks laugh at the Kremlin grandpa. Once again, insidious people are leading our popularly beloved grandfather by the nose, deceiving. They reported to him about 50,000 piglets. Ukrainians are killed every month. But he believed it and now tells everyone. Off we go. The expired president of Russia again put people with serious faces under good cameras to make several statements about negotiations. Although it took him a couple of seconds to remember what denazification actually meant, he still managed to summarize the essence. Once again, the character's lunacy was confirmed. turns out that killing and maiming a couple of 100,000 people is not a problem at all for the sake of a legal ban on Nazi propaganda in Ukraine.
Ограничения в известной степени вооружения и так далее. И это, безусловно, то, в чем заинтересована Российская Федерация. Кроме этого, как вы помните, мы говорили о денацификации Украины. И я был очень удивлен, когда меня начали спрашивать, а что же такое денацификация? Это запрещение на законодательном уровне пропаганды нацизма. Как это не покажется странным, но и здесь у нас нашлась общая платформа. Так же, как и по другим ключевым вопросам, необходимым для урегулирования этой кризисной ситуации мирным путем. И если руководитель переговорной группы со стороны Украины под выдержкой из этого большого соглашения поставил свою подпись, парафировал этот документ, я думаю, что это свидетельствует о том, что это устраивало в целом украинскую сторону. А если мы это приняли, значит, это в целом устраивало и Россию. Я не хочу вас ставить какой-то...
A communication has been submitted to the International Criminal Court regarding the responsibility of 5 leading Russian propagandists for inciting hatred against Ukrainians: Vladimir Solovyev, Margarita Simonyan, Dmitry Kiselyov, Dmitry Medvedev, and Sergei Mardin, as well as Alexei Gromov, first deputy to the Chief of Staff of Putin's executive office. The communication was submitted by the International Federation for Human Rights, FIDH, the Center for Civil Liberties, and the Kharkiv Human Rights Protection Group on the commission of the crime against humanity of persecution against Ukrainians in the form of hate speech. The authors of the communication analyzed 526 hours of airtime and selected more than 300 statements that meet the criteria of hate speech. We chose those people who are the most people-led and influential. They most repeated the theses we talked about. Volodymyr Yavorsky, Program Director of the Center for Civil Liberties, said during the briefing. I believe this will be the basis for arrests and investigations, added Anna Ovdienko, a lawyer with the Kharkiv Human Rights Protection Group.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.